President Joe Biden's statement regarding the bombing of the hospital in Gaza was from a misfired Palestinian rocket is totally ridiculous and absurd. Why should there be any doubt that the blast of the Al-Ahli Arab hospital is from an Israeli airstrike? The murderous regime had been attempting to wipe Palestinians and Gaza out of existence since last week. In fact, Israel had been after the Palestinians all the time, if not wipe out the Palestinians altogether. For the past 70 years, and suddenly now, after launching airstrikes day and night, Israel blames Palestinians for the blast on the hospital. Biden's narrative is based on feedbacks from Netanyahu and the Pentagon. Obviously, Netanyahu lies about everything. And if Biden wants to use Pentagon to give credence to his narrative, we have not forgotten how Pentagon and other American institutions lied about the existence of weapons of mass destruction in Iraq.